but you also need to fix that place. Like, okay, I get your trust of you. I get that you don't want to talk to me. Sometimes you make it hard. And you say things that you don't really mean them. But maybe there will be
Love tong kasama ko eh. Yes. We're going around. Look, the moon. It's full moon, I guess. Where are we?
What I was with the sky. It's not like a huge sky, but it's a beautiful sky, but you start feeling like this, and then someone tells me the opposite, like the person that where.
Hindi ako magsasalita kasi
Don't start to feel
para
something
hindi
about
ma-distract tong ilap
paranoid,
sa likod ko ba.
crazy. So I don't like it. That's why I'm asking you. Like trust me, but at least trust me. It's amazing. Like amazing. What?
Balik-balik.
I love you.
Bilin. Saan ba kami pupunta? Naikot ng yate eh. What happened? You forgot something?
I'm so happy to hear about now. I'm just the second generation. Okay.
You forgot something? Nalon. Pero grabe kahapon. Ang alon talaga doon ako tinamaan. Hindi naman ako nahilo. Pero ano ako talagang hindi ko kaya ba. Kaya humiga na lang ako. Talagang yung hininga ko ay nagtatago eh. Are you coming? Let's go.
She says things that they're too hard.
Uh-huh.
It's not that I'm gonna tell you, you stupid motherfucker, or shut the fuck up. She's telling me things that, you know, you're a headache, you're wasting my time, stop talking to me anymore.
Why?
I don't know, there's these things I would say to someone if I want to break up, right?
Yeah.
And then she's telling me, she's sending me a memo, you know, a voice message, telling me, oh baby, I'm sorry I talked too hard to you, but you also didn't expect the fact that I don't want to talk about this. But anyways, I'm sorry, I don't mean them. And it's the 5th time that she did nothing. 6, 7, I don't know. And I just made the point that, you know the thing that got me mad. You need to understand also the thing that got me like this. Not mad, but disappointed. And she started doing psychiatry.
No.
Like she went crazy because I thought that I'm starting this conversation with her. And I'm like, Zoe, relax. I didn't tell you anything. I just made the point.
Yeah.
And you need to realize also that the things you say, they are fucking you up.
Fishing boat.
I don't feel good about myself hearing all these things.
Be careful. Take Anes. You don't see. Because you're thinking her. That's why. It's happened that one because you have a what we call that one? A bra. Relax yourself. Gawa pa more. Ayan na. I don't like. Never mind, let's go. Never mind tomorrow. Yeah. We don't have. Ah, so cute the dog. Like a baby.
You buy tomorrow.
Tomorrow, if they don't have